for all the examples we're going to look at today, there is the same pronumeral on both sides of the equation. So for example, in example number 1, we have 6y and we have negative 1y. Okay, so the first thing generally we want to do is to eliminate the y's from one of the sides. Now, in general, or most of the time, you'll choose to eliminate the smallest value y. Okay, so from both sides, we're going to use the same techniques we've been using about doing inverse operations from both sides. Oops. And so from both sides here, we are going to try and eliminate negative y. So we do that by adding 1y to both sides. Okay, so we have 6y equals negative y plus 7. We will add 1y to both sides. We carry that out. 6y plus 1y is 7y. And over here they eliminate each other and we have 7. Okay, now to both sides we will now get rid of the 7. 7 times y, the inverse of 7 times, is to divide by 7. So straight away, I won't rewrite the whole thing, we'll just go divide by 7, and they eliminate each other, and we have y equals 1. And you can substitute that back into the original equation. 6 times 1 is 6, and we have minus 1 plus 7 also equals 6, so we know that our answer is correct. Okay, now the next example has pronumerals on both sides and also numbers on both sides, but the overall process is exactly the same. In this case, we will start by eliminating this 4x because it's smaller than 7x. Okay, so from both sides we will subtract 4x. Okay, I'll just write the parts out that are already there. 4x plus 10, so I've just rewritten the equation as it is. Now I will also minus 4x from both sides. We get 7x minus 4x is 3x, plus the 1 still there. That 4x minus 4x, they've eliminated, and there is 10. Okay, now from both sides here, we want to get rid of this plus 1. Okay, so the inverse of plus 1 is minus 1. At this stage, it's exactly like a two-step equation from earlier examples. Okay, so we have 3x plus 1 equals 10. We now put in the minus 1 to both sides, and we have, they eliminate each other. We have 3x equals 9. Okay, we want to eliminate this 3 times x, so to do that, we'll do the inverse of times images to divide. I'll just do this straight onto here. 3 divided by 3 just leaves 1, x equals 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, go back up here. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 10 is 22. So we know that the equation is true when we substitute in the value of it, x equals 3. That's the only number that you can put in, substitute in, that will be correct, that will make the equation correct. Okay, so we can tick ourselves off for that one. Okay, now our last equation has an extra step at the start. We can see the brackets here. In theory, I mean, you could divide both sides by a common factor of 2, but I don't think we'll bother with that. We'll just expand the bracket. So we'll go 6 times x is 6x, 6 times minus 3 is minus 18 equals 14 minus 2x. There's no brackets on the right hand side. Okay, now from both sides we want to eliminate this, or from this side we want to eliminate this negative 2x. So the inverse of minus 2x is to plus 2x. Once again, I'll just write the equation as it is, first of all. Oops, I haven't left myself much room there. And then we will, a little bit fudgy there, plus 2x. Okay, now they eliminate each other, and we have 6x plus 2x is 8x. Minus 18 still remains the same, and the 14 remains the same. Okay, now from both sides, I haven't left myself a lot of room again, from both sides we will eliminate, or from the left hand side we'll eliminate the minus 18, okay, by doing the inverse, which is plus 18. I'm going to rewrite that whole equation as it is. 8x minus 18, put in a space. Okay, now I'll actually do the plus 18 to both sides. They eliminate each other, and we have 8x equals 32. Okay, so now from both sides we want to get rid of this 8 times x, so we'll go divide by 8. I'll do it straight onto the page here, so 8x divided by 8 and 32 divided by 8. Once again, the 8's eliminate each other, I'll cancel out. X equals 4. Okay, so we think our answer is 4. Okay, once again, we'll go back up here to the original equation, and we'll say, okay, 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 times 1 is 6. 14 minus, okay, that's 2 times 4 is 8. 14 minus 8 equals 6, okay? So once again, the left-hand side equals the right-hand side when you substitute in x equals 4. So once again, we know we've got the correct answer. Thank you.